doubt if print on demand could work for you? What if I told you that success with Shopify print on demand has nothing to do with launching the perfect product and everything to do with having the guts to launch imperfect ones instead? Because confidence in print on demand, it doesn't come before the sale, it comes because of it. Now, let me tell you about my first print on demand store. When I launched my first store, I was excited. I was making designs. I was building out my Shopify store. I was really having fun learning the process. And then came time to hit the publish button, and I completely froze. I remember thinking, what if nobody wants to buy this? And in that moment, I almost quit before I ever started. I thought that I was doubting the business model, but what I was really doubting was myself. And that's when it clicked. I wasn't lacking proof that print on demand works. I was lacking confidence that I could make it work. And that kind of confidence, you don't start with it, you earn it. Print on demand works. There are companies that do multi-millions of dollars every year with print on demand. The business model isn't the problem. The question isn't, does print on demand work? It's, can print on demand work for me? Or can I make print on demand work? And those are two very different questions. Most new sellers will confuse the two, but confidence doesn't come before you start. It comes because you start. It's not an input, it's an output. You don't need to feel confident to take action. You need to take action to become confident. Now, you can go out there and you can binge every print-on-demand video on YouTube. You can sketch out perfect designs. You can build the perfect brand. You can make sure every little detail of your pixels are perfect, but you will not feel confident until you launch. And that cha-ching from your first Shopify sale will hit different because that is your proof. Proof that a stranger out there saw something that you made and wanted it. That's not just a sale, that's evidence. And evidence is what builds that confidence. Now, my early designs were absolutely nothing special. Some of them were super awkward, made no sense for a t-shirt, and some of them completely flopped. But every time that I launched something, I learned. I could see which phrases got clicks. I could see which design styles led to conversions on the site and which concepts truly resonated with my audience. I wasn't chasing perfection. I was simply collecting data because action will create clarity and clarity will then create confidence. I still remember my first print-on-demand sale like it was yesterday. It really wasn't a big win in the grand scheme of things, and it wasn't off of some viral design that I had made. It was really just one order, probably $25 worth. But to me, it meant everything in that moment. Because that first cha-ching was the moment that doubt turned into data. And I wasn't just thinking, this could work. I was thinking, this is working. Now, I didn't suddenly become an expert, but I became someone who had proof. And that tiny little win gave me the permission to keep going. And that's the shift. Not from beginner to pro, but from thinking you can do it to knowing that you can do it. Confidence will never come from hype. It will always come from evidence and action. And that's why I started tracking everything. I wanted to know how many designs I was publishing, what my conversion rate looked like, what my ad ROAS was, what kind of feedback I was getting from customers in the comments, the clicks, and even the silence. Because even in the silence, that's the market telling you something. Because when you track your progress, you stop just relying on hope and like this magical being, and you start relying on the data. And the data, it told me something powerful. I was making progress, even if I didn't feel like I was making progress every day. Now, my first store, it didn't blow up. It wasn't a huge success. In fact, I actually lost money while running it. But I didn't see it as a failure because by then I had the receipts. I had learned which designs had converted. I had found out which design styles seemed to perform better on a t-shirt. I had figured out that you really need a niche in order to be successful with selling on Shopify because you can't simply sell to everyone. And I had enough data to make real adjustments for a second store. That was the biggest breakthrough that I ever had. I didn't need to be perfect. I just needed to try again and be smarter and not make the same mistakes I made the first time around. demand. Now, the fastest way for you to kill your confidence is trying to do everything at once. And when you're building a Shopify print-on-demand store, that's exactly what it feels like, because you're not only building a website, you're learning how to design for real products, you're learning how to run and drive traffic with ads, and somewhere in there, you're supposed to figure out how to do email marketing as well. It can be extremely overwhelming, and that's why simplifying is a non-negotiable when you're starting out. From day one, you need to know what actually matters right now and what can simply wait. That's why we took that into account when we created our 31-hour free Shopify print-on-demand course. Inside it, we break down the exact steps that you need to focus on at each step of the print-on-demand journey. So you're not just trying to master everything at once. You're mastering what matters first. So if you want instant access to that free course, plus templates, tutorials, and other free resources, then click the link in the description below and join my free school community. There, you'll have access to that course, and it'll help you start to make immediate action. Now, if you're still scared to launch, you're not alone. Every seller feels this. But fear doesn't mean that we should stop. It means that we're doing something new. And the only way through fear is actually going through it. Confidence doesn't come before action. It comes because of it. So feel the fear and hit that publish button anyways. Print on demand absolutely works. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It would absolutely mean the world to me. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next video.